Have you ever stared at a mountain of news articles about cryptocurrency hacks, wondering if your hard-earned coins are safe? Then you've probably come across Gemini, a popular exchange that promises top-notch security. But is that promise enough? In today's video, we're diving deep into Gemini's security features to see if it lives up to the hype. Now, security in the crypto world isn't child's play. Unlike traditional banks, there's no central authority to hold your hand if things go south. So, when you entrust an exchange like Gemini with your crypto, you're placing a lot of faith in their safeguards. So, what exactly makes Gemini tick? Let's break it down into three key areas: account security, platform security, and insurance. Fort Knox your account, multi-layered login protection. First up, account security. This is your personal defense perimeter, and Gemini throws up a lot of defenses. We're talking multi-factor authentication, MFA, as standard. This means beyond your password, you'll need a secondary verification code, typically from your phone, to log in. Think of it as a double-locked door. A hacker would need to crack both layers to gain access. But Gemini doesn't stop there. They offer additional security features like address whitelisting, where you specify the exact addresses your crypto can be withdrawn to. Imagine it like a pre-approved list, only those addresses get through. There's also suspicious activity monitoring, where Gemini keeps an eye on your account for any unusual login attempts. If something fishy happens, they'll lock your account down and notify you immediately. Guarding the gates, keeping the platform secure. Now, let's talk about platform security. This is where Gemini protects the entire system, not just individual accounts. They employ industry-leading practices like keeping most user funds in offline, cold storage. Think of it as a vault, completely isolated from the internet, making it nearly impossible for hackers to breach. And for the funds that are online, Gemini uses something called multi-sig wallets. Imagine a safe needing multiple keys to unlock. Gemini requires several approvals before any funds can be moved. This spreads the responsibility and makes unauthorized access incredibly difficult. But security isn't just about keeping bad guys out. It's also about keeping your information safe. Gemini uses industry-standard encryption to protect your personal data. That means even if someone were to access their servers, your information would be scrambled and unreadable. A safety net, insurance for peace of mind. Finally, let's talk about insurance. Because even with the best security measures, there's always a chance of something unforeseen happening. That's where insurance comes in. Gemini has a unique insurance policy that covers a portion of user funds held in hot storage in case of a hack. It's not a foolproof solution, but it adds an extra layer of protection and demonstrates Gemini's commitment to user security. So, is Gemini safe? The verdict. Based on our analysis, Gemini appears to take security very seriously. They offer a robust suite of features that make it difficult for hackers to steal your crypto. However, it's important to remember that no system is foolproof. The best security is a combination of the exchange's measures and your own vigilance. Always use strong passwords, enable MFA, and stay informed about the latest security threats. Here are some additional tips for keeping your crypto safe. Never share your login credentials with anyone. Be wary of phishing attempts. Phishing emails or messages will try to trick you into revealing your login information. Keep your software updated. This includes your operating system, browser, and any cryptocurrency wallet you use. By following these tips and choosing a secure exchange like Gemini, you can significantly reduce the risk of your crypto being stolen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.